Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can follow everyone on TikTok. For that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your TikTok app. Once the app has been opened, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. From over here, once you have seen your profile, you're simply going to go ahead, go to the section of followers. Now you will be able to find all of the followers of yours, and now if you want to follow back, or if you want to simply unfollow them, you're simply gonna go ahead, switch to followings from over here. So you can start tapping on this following option and it will simply unfollow them. So again, you tap on follow, this red button, you will start following them automatically. But if you choose to unfollow them, all you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on this little gray following icon again, and you will automatically be able to unfollow them. Since you will be able to find every single following accounts over here, it will be easier for you to unfollow them at once. That's basically how you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.